Yeah. A buddy of mine who remained nameless did one of these tests and it's like, wow, what do you think of the accuracy of this is? And so I pinged like Ruscio, another friend of mine, Dr. Sarah, who's been on here that do a lot of gut health stuff. And they kind of had the same general agreement. I texted him back. I'm like, you can probably crap on a piece of paper and read it like a Rorschach test, and you're probably going to be more accurate than what this thing is going to tell you. And then I wrote, P.S. I hope it says you should be a vegan because he like loves eating red meat all the time. He's like, oh, well, if it says that, I'm definitely not going to do it.
Yeah.
Which
I
I
think
thought
in the grand scheme of
was
things,
funny.
I have seen Dr. Ruscio probably use maybe one or two or three of the main ones that are out there. So I do want to make it clear for the audience, I'm not totally anti, but there's probably, to put it in perspective, I think what Dr. Mike is getting at, because my audience might be a little bit different than Dr. Mike's, is let's say there's 17 or 18 different companies out there marketing, and there's probably more, only maybe 5 to 10%, definitely less than 20. So less than a quarter of the brands that are pushing these tests commercially are actually using the appropriate methodology and are non-specific in their recommendations, meaning they do give you data, but they don't say, hey, eat this way, supplement this way. They allow a practitioner to work with you